Welcome to the 2022 STEM Showcase, hosted by Jersey City Medical Center and RWJBarnabas Health. Our awards ceremony is back again to celebrate our virtually unstoppable Hudson County students and educators. This 64-year-old STEM competition continues to transform and nurture students, which is a proud testament to the brilliance and resilience of our future innovators and scientists. The expression that necessity is the mother of invention has been proven very true, especially over the last 2 years, as we faced and overcame the pandemic. I congratulate all the STEM Showcase participants and our academic institutions for taking both a scientific and optimistic examination to discover the undiscovered and invent new pathways and solutions to improve aspects of life that will benefit many. As an anchor institution and your neighbor in Hudson County, Jersey City Medical Center is proud to lead, inspire, and nurture generations of STEM scholars. In partnership with our community, we're building our way towards a strong future through healing, enhancing, and investing in our youth and the communities we serve. Again, congratulations to all of our 2022 STEM Showcase participants and winners. We stand with you and are rooting for you to realize your impact in the world. We are proud of you and hope to see some of you on our team in a few years.
Growing up along the Hudson River, it was really almost impossible not to see how polluted the entire river is. And it really served as an outlet for me to learn more about water pollution in general, and just that stemming into how water insecurity and how prevalent it is within third world countries. My name's Sona Nike. I'm a senior at McNair Academic High School in Jersey City, New Jersey. Nearly 50% of the entire global population just still doesn't have access to sanitary water systems. That statistic just really caught my eye since freshman year. My project was focused on incorporating a bioremedial water filtration system that integrates an optimized bioremedial process. Bioremediation is the process of introducing microbes to an environment to consume any pollutants that may be on site. So with my system, I integrate 3 years of prior research in order to build what my main goal was, which was to build a fully functional system and perform cost and quality assessments, and really focus on the overall accessibility of the system in terms of its materials and how effective it is in purifying water.
STEM Showcase is very important for participating students because it helps the students to explore and use their inquisitive minds in solving the issues that they are passionate about. My name is Dr. Mina Armani. I am a chemistry teacher at Jose Marti STEM Academy, and I have been working in the district for close to 15 years. Students who are participating in STEM Showcase and through presenting their scientific research findings, they actually, during this process, learn to build up their perseverance. They improve their discipline. They actually grow a better appreciation for learning because they realize what is the application of what they're learning in school. I always tell my students that learning is the way to go. It's not always about grades. It's not always being number one. It's about making an imprint in the society, in the future, in the community.
I'm very proud of them on what they have achieved and have been achieving, because I have seen them, a lot of them going to college, going to a lot of STEM-related field, and they have been succeeding. I'm Mrs. Maria Emma Osoria, and I am teaching here at McNair Academic High School, both working as a chairperson for science and at the same time teaching science research, both the intro and independent research, and both chemistry and physics as well. We have a lot of kids who are now working in teams, groups of 2s or 3s, but we still have majority of them doing work independently. Those who collaborate, I can see how they cooperate with one another, how they rely on each other's positive or whatever points that they have to contribute to their project.
As the scientific research teacher who goes to many research competitions, the number of schools that are doing scientific research with their students has been increasing as the years go on, which makes me very happy. My name is Jennifer Donnelly. I am the scientific research and advanced topics science teacher here at Jose Marti STEM Academy. The STEM Showcase has been around for many, many years and really supports STEM education, which allows kids to find their love of science, because STEM Showcase starts in the middle school. And for many kids, when you say to them, when did you decide you love science? And they all go and say, middle school. You know that it's a lifelong love. We have the innovation, we have the technology, we just need to get kids interested. My passion is for research. I love to see my kids go on to bigger and better things. It makes my heart sing. That's why I'm still a teacher after all these years, and I want to continue to be a teacher. Just to see my kids go on to greater things, it makes me, it's joyous for me.
STEM is important because it's the future, because we are making medical advances and we need to keep up with engineering and technology to sustain all those advances. I am Manisha Shah, District Science Supervisor for Jersey City Public Schools. Hudson County, as you know, is a melting pot of the world because we have so many nationalities and different cultures, and students come from all walks of lives. And we like to draw upon everybody's talents and experiences as well as their expertise in different fields. And these students are showing that in Hudson County. So we can succeed. I like to encourage these students because I know they're passionate about making a difference. And I do challenge them to be agent of change at an early age. So they are very eager to show what they could do and how they could improve the world. And I'm inspired by them. It makes me want to work harder to find funding and showcase their talent to the world.
Hello, I'm Sue Henderson, President of New Jersey City University. On behalf of NJCU, I wish to extend my congratulations to the 297 students who participated in this year's annual Hudson STEM Showcase and the thousands who took part in the preliminary competitions. Additionally, we have wonderful news for each of our 17 gold medal finalists. I am happy to announce that NJCU will offer each of our finalists the Presidential Academic Scholarship to cover your tuition when you enroll at NJCU to continue your education. I hope you consider NJCU as the next step in your promising future. You're each future leaders, and I am proud of all your efforts. As you can see behind me, I'm speaking to you from one of our state-of-the-art biology labs here at NJCU. We are inside our newly renovated and expanded 110,000 square foot science building on campus, where we have ultra-modern teaching and research laboratories and much, much more. Long before I became the first female president in NJCU's now more than 90-year history, I was a mathematics professor. I've seen firsthand the impact that STEM education makes in the lives of students and why it matters so much. Now more than ever, the importance of STEM education at both the K-12 and higher ed levels is paramount. At NJCU, we continue to be an academic innovator for our community. We are often among the first to introduce degrees in new and emerging fields, and as such, STEM education is part of our focus. And our knowledgeable and caring faculty are experts in their field. A special thank you to our 7 faculty members who served as judges in this year's competition. They are Drs. John Grew, Hanai Hanori, Christina Harb, Hupbang Zhang, Ansu Lee, Scott Mittman, and Ethan Prosen. Former statesman Bernard Baruch once said, "Millions saw the apple fall, but Newton was the one who asked why." For our nation to continue to be the educative force that has brought innovation to the world for more than 2 centuries, we need students who are also willing to ask why. Will you be the next Isaac Newton? We know how important STEM education will be to our futures, and by participating in this year's Hudson STEM Showcase, so do you. We are so proud to continue our long-standing partnership in support of Hudson County's STEM Showcase, and we hope to see you on our campus in the coming years as our future Gothic Knights. Congratulations to each and every one of you.
I think it is really important to educate, especially young students, on STEM because it's so versatile and has so many real-world applications and can solve so many real problems in the world. It can really empower us. My name is Ishida Vela, and I'm a junior in McNair Academic High School in Jersey City, New Jersey. My project is titled MetaGreen, a comprehensive, sustainable approach to telehealth. So the basis of my project is centered around the principles of thermoelectricity and piezoelectricity, which are two types of green energy. So I use this instead of in electronics, I actually reversed the effect. So instead, I use these to generate the power for my health check system. So after I finalized the power source for my health check system, I built the actual health check system. And as you can see here, it's limited to one arm, so it's very user-friendly. And it is meant to measure pulse, blood oxygen, temperature, and type 1 diabetes. My grandmother, who lives in India, she has type 1 diabetes, and she lives alone. So, naturally, my parents and my relatives and I are very anxious sometimes because we're afraid that something might happen to her health related, and we wouldn't know until it's too late. So really, this project is dedicated to her. As we grow up and see our aspirations become a reality, we want to take STEM and our education and wield it as a weapon against all the societal problems. And I really believe that if we execute STEM to its full potential, then we can solve many, many problems in the future. And I'm excited to do so.
I would like to thank all of the people who have helped me come to this position, and I would like to thank the Jersey City Medical Center for giving us this opportunity to express our ideas in the STEM Showcase.
I would like to thank the Jersey City Medical Center for promoting the STEM Showcase and allowing students such as myself to really showcase our work and continue to be curious about different topics in STEM.
There's a lot of people behind that we need to be thankful of. First and foremost, of course, their parents. Second, the administrations, both here in school and in the district.
I would like to give big thanks to Jersey City Medical Center and Barnabas Healthcare System for sponsoring this type of symposiums as well as the showcases where students could shine and we could celebrate student achievements.
It gives the opportunity to students to showcase their talents, their ability, their curiosity, and help them to grow and appreciate what they are learning.
We wouldn't be able to do this for the kids without them.
Without them, without all of these people, they will be able to do the work, yes. They will be able to accomplish the project, but having this as a part of a competition gives them a certain, shall I say, incentive to be able to get more and to be able to achieve more.